Hello and welcome to Nigerian Food TV. Today I'll show you how to make corn moi moi, which is the Nigerian steamed corn pudding. And here are the ingredients. First, break off the prawn's head and tail. Boil or soak in hot water until tender, then set aside. Now slice the vegetables and set aside. The vegetable is optional, so you can leave it out if you want to. Then place the peppers, crayfish, onions and prawn heads in a blender and blend coarsely and set aside. Now pour the cornmeal into a wide bowl, add enough water and mix until you get a batter, just like when you're making the everyday moi moi. Add the blended mixture into the bowl, add the palm oil, the soaked prawns, sliced vegetables, seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Mix thoroughly until well incorporated. Pour the corn mixture into your container of choice and seal properly. Finally, place the containers in a pot of boiling water or a steamer. I am using a steaming basket, but a large colander or a metal sieve can also serve. Let the corn moi moi cook for 45 to 1 hour on medium heat until it solidifies. And here you have a delicious corn moi moi to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and do give us a thumb up if you enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to check out our website or channel for more delicious recipes.